How to place your hands down when you practice yoga. Well, we have this hand lock called Hasta Bandha, and it's basically telling us where to apply weight when we place the hands down while practicing yoga. First thing to pay attention to is the knuckles. So we have 3 pair of knuckles. The first one, where I'm placing my finger here, is where we want to distribute the majority of the weight with the 3rd knuckles. The second one, we don't really care so much about it. The great thing about this is that it's already shifting the weight from the wrist into the palm of my hands, and I can then practice much longer. Second thing we want to be paying attention to is to ground the space in between the index and the thumb of the hands, avoiding to put pressure on the outer heel of the hands. And lastly, and this will come with time if you practice this, is the suction area that happens on the middle of the palm, right? So when I'm correctly using this, grounding the space in between the index and thumb, the first knuckle, the 3rd knuckles, and avoiding to place weight onto the outer heel of the hands, at one point you will feel like the inner part of the palm is being stuck to the mat, and therefore you can ground much firmly and stronger. So this is little tips that you can use while practicing yoga, and I promise you, especially if you experience wrist pain, this is going to change your practice. Let me know how this works for you, and enjoy.